Dow Jones down 767 points today. Is the bubble beginning to pop? It's Monday, August 5th, 2019, an absolutely devastating day for the stock market. The stock market has lost more than $1.4 trillion in less than a week. And there's a few things that we're observing taking place right now. A few of my main points here with regards to what is happening right now and what people are doing. The super rich are raising cash. They're selling their stocks. They're buying properties. We're seeing a massive run to bonds. The 10-year right now, this late this afternoon, is at 1.68. Gold currently right now at 1775, $1,775, approaching 2,000. Silver at 1646. The metals continue to drive higher. Yet, your friends, your family members, your business associates are oblivious, and they're telling you that nothing's wrong, that everything's going to be okay. These people are absolutely oblivious to what is happening. These are major warning signs. These are canaries in the coal mine. And we are witnessing big trouble, big red flags, and you need to be especially awake and observant with what's going on right now. No time to be listening to your friends, your business associates, your family members. It is time to look out for yourself and pay very, very close attention to what is happening in these markets globally and what's happening right here in the U.S. Dow Jones was down as high as 940 points, 940 point low, okay? As I said earlier, we closed at 767 points. We are possibly witnessing the beginning of this collapse. It's too early to say, but I think we're going to see things continue to get worse. Dow futures currently, right now, late this afternoon, are down 500 points. Earlier, they were down 650 points. Dow futures, we're going to look at the Dow tomorrow opening right now at 500 points in the red, yet people are telling you nothing to worry about. This is no big deal. I totally disagree. China has devalued its currency in retaliation to another round of tariffs in Chinese imports. China is also blaming the U.S. for the enormous political protests in Hong Kong. China right now is the #1 enemy of America. China is not going to back down. They're hitting back. They're hitting back very, very hard. Most Americans, in the meantime, are absolutely clueless with what's going on. And most still think everything is hunky-dory, everything is okay. I believe that these people are going to be, unfortunately, very, very surprised when they find out, when they start looking at their money markets, their 401ks and their retirements, how much money they lost today, how much money they're going to lose tomorrow. And the deeper we get into this trade war with China, and this global economy slowdown and this U.S. recession that has begun, people are going to begin to wake up because they're going to start getting very, very worried. China halting new agricultural purchases and may slap tariffs on farm goods that were recently bought. They are not playing around. The Dow is down 1,500 points from the pre-Powell highs. We're now below 26,000, erasing all the trade truce gains. How quickly, think about how quickly these markets can turn. Look back when we lost 20% in a week in December, how quickly things can turn around. And you know, we talk about black swan events and we talk about the Deutsche Banks. Now we're talking about China. There's just things out of our control that we have no control here that are going to affect the U.S. economy, and they're doing so right now. Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, and Facebook each lost more than 3% today, wiping out over $160 billion. Friday, the big tech five lost $66 billion in market cap. Yet, people out there oblivious, comatose, in their little bubbles, not a care in the world. This is going to affect everybody. Things just continue to get worse. HSBC Bank fired their CEO, and they're going to slash 4,000 jobs. Here we have more news. While people are oblivious to what's going on, here's what's really going on. Car dealers struggle to sell 2018 new car inventory to make room for 2020 cars. They haven't even sold the 18s, let alone the 19s, and the 2020s are coming in. 3.5% of all July 2019 sales were 2018 models, according to J.D. Power. Highest percentage of new car sales of older models since 2005. Automakers are paying $1,100 incentives just to move the 2018s. I see nothing but incredible real estate deals coming in the future. I see incredible automobile deals coming in the future. I believe that there are going to be many, many things on sale in the very near future here as this global slowdown affects America. And again, with what we're seeing, these bank layoffs, the problems with the automakers, the problems in the retail sector, the problems in real estate, the residential, commercial, the problems we're now seeing in the stock market, this stuff can no longer be hidden. They're going to throw everything in the kitchen sink at it to try and fix it. And how are they going to fix it? Lower rates and print more money. That's exactly what got us into this problem. And they're going to do what got us into this problem to get us out of this problem. Do you think that's going to work? Absolutely not. We're going to continue to devalue the US dollar. We're going to lower rates. And that means that you are going to be punished to save money. And you're going to be punished every time you go to the store because your dollar, your money is going to continue to buy you less and less. So I'm going to wrap this video up. Again, Dow futures down 500 points. Tomorrow could be a very ugly day. I don't know how they're going to get control of this. But as I've said in the past, I believe that you need to be holding hard, tangible assets and not paper. Paper is going to continue to devalue just like paper currencies and fiat currency. As you know, I'm a believer in gold and silver, the two most undervalued assets in the world. And for the trolls out there that always said, that continue to say that, silver is going to $8, gold's going to 800, that's when you need to buy. No, you need to buy now so that you have hard assets to protect you from what is coming. We may be looking at the perfect storm right now with major problems in the stock market, major problems in retail, major problems in the auto sector, major debt issues, devaluation of the US dollar continuing, 1.5 trillion in student loan debt, over $1 trillion in credit card debt. We have so much debt, and debt is a destroyer. This is why you better be holding hard assets. So the people out there, again, the trolls who believe that silver was going to $8 and gold was going to 800. As long as we continue to see these kind of problems globally, gold is not going to 800 and silver is not going to $8. So don't listen to the trolls. And for the other trolls out there that think that I'm selling you something, I work for nobody. I don't sell gold. I don't sell silver. I buy it. I'm going to say that for the 100th time. I work for nobody. Yes, I have a link down below, SD Bullion. I put them on there because I think they're one of the best metal companies you can buy from. That's who I buy from. I'm not telling you to do that. I'm not selling you anything. I'm just telling you what I do, where I buy. SD Bullion, that is the link down below because I trust them, I like them, and they're very awake. Now, you can go buy at a pawn shop. You can go buy at 100 different precious metals dealers on the internet. You can go down to some coin shop, again, a pawn shop, wherever you want to go. But I truly believe that you need to be holding hard assets, and where you get them from is not important to me. As long as you're getting them and you're getting them from a reputable dealer, a reputable seller, that's really what I care about. But if you're not a gold and silver person, that's fine. But I want to repeat, I don't work for anybody. I don't sell metals for anybody. I buy. And I want to make that very, very clear because of the 2 or 3 trolls out there that just want to make it look like I'm trying to sell you something. Absolutely not. But even if I was, I would be selling you something I believe in, and I would be selling you something that's gone up about 20% in the last year. So if I was selling you something, I was selling you something that would be very, very good for your portfolio. It's something I believe in and something that is going to ensure your wealth and your future. Listen, everybody, have an incredible week. Tomorrow's going to be a very interesting day. This evening, tonight, is going to be a very interesting night in the Asian market. So if you get a chance, check it out. We'll be monitoring it. But I think tomorrow could be a very ugly day. We will see. Anything's possible. But right now, it's shaping up to be disastrous. So God bless every one of you. Keep your eyes open and be very aware of what's going on across the globe here, because you never know what you're going to wake up to. God bless. Talk to you soon.